Hello traders, this is Hugh, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get around FIFO and also Hedge, even if you have a US account. Now I have to start off by saying that there are rules against, well, they made the first in first out and hedging rules for a reason, because it can get confusing and it can lead to losses if you're a beginning trader. So if you are a beginning trader, just because you know these workarounds doesn't mean you should use them. But if you are more advanced and you do need some capabilities like this, then this video will help you. Okay, that being said, let's get started. The first thing, well, first of all, I'm in a demo account. So I have two different accounts with Oanda. One of them is primary and the other one is a MetaTrader account. You can call them whatever you want. And this is the hedging part. So if you want to enter shorts and longs at the same time, then you can have two windows open like this. The way I do this is that I open one instance of the trading platform in Firefox and the other instance in Safari. And in one browser I open the I have my MetaTrader account open, and in the other instance I have the primary account open. And I changed the background colors just to show that it can get confusing, and you want to make sure that you know which one is your long account and which one's your short account, because you want to have them separated. You want to have only shorts in one account and only longs in the other account, for obvious reasons, because you can't have shorts and longs in the same account. So you just open two different accounts, and if one account has more profit because maybe you're in a trend or something, you just transfer money to the other account and you kind of even them out once in a while. So let me give you an example. If we do the Aussie yen, we can sell in this account, let's say 1,000 units, and then in this account we can buy 1,000 units, and that's how we can have two positions at the same time. Okay, so now that you understand the hedging part, now let's get into FIFO, which is, if you're not familiar with it, it's first in, first out. That means the first trades you open must be closed in that order, and you can't really do it like you used to be able to, but with a little advanced planning, there's a workaround to this. So let's concentrate on the short account that we have here. So we already have a short position open, and if we open another short position with the same number of units like this, if we try to close out, this is the second one, so if we try to close this one out, it says you cannot close it because the earlier one must be closed out. So let's close them both out right now. So we close that first one out, and then I'm going to close this other one out. Now let's start all over. Let's say I want to sell one position. Okay, and now let's say I want to open a second position. So I would sell, but this time I want to make sure that the number of units is different, and that's the key. So if I go to submit this, okay, so now we have two positions, and the one extra unit is very trivial if you're trading, you know, even 100 units. I mean, it's not a real big deal in terms of risk. So this is, you know, it's not a huge factor. So now let's try and close out the second one. As you can see, it closes out. So that's how you get around the FIFO rule, and it does take a little advanced planning, because you need to break your trades down into small enough positions that you would want to close them out later. So, you know, if your total position is maybe 10,000 units, maybe you break them down into 2,000 unit trades or 5,000 unit trades, whatever is useful for you. And that allows you to be very flexible with how you enter the trades. Now, this is the way that Oanda handles it. I'm not sure about other brokers. I know for sure that FXCM, they combine all of their trades. So this is not possible at all. So even if you entered a second position at 1,001 units, which I don't think you can do with Oanda. I mean, with FXCM, you have to do 1,000 units. Then it just blends the two positions together. So you have 2,000 unit trade at the blended price. So it just depends on your broker. So again, give it a try and demo and see how it works. And then, you know, you're free to do it in a live account if it works for you. One thing that makes it easier with Oanda also is that they have nano lots, which are, you know, you can trade as little as one currency unit, which is awesome because it really limits your risk. So yeah, that's how you do it. Again, just because you can do it doesn't mean that you should. This is very risky, and you can I mean, juggling multiple positions can be very confusing. So I don't recommend it, but if you do have a strategy that will take advantage of either of these workarounds, then I hope this video helped you. All right, thanks for watching, and hope you're trading well.